The cheetah's paws on dirt, the whales splash, the hum of the forest. Our planet, a world of breathtaking beauty and staggering complexity. For billions of years, life has been engaged in a relentless dance of survival and innovation. In every habitat, from the sun-scorched desert to the crushing pressure of the deep ocean, creatures have evolved extraordinary solutions to the challenges of existence. These are not just stories of survival. They are masterpieces of natural engineering, of artistry, of intelligence. Today, we journey into the lives of some of nature's most ingenious wonders. Part 2. The shapeshifter of the seabed with a fluid, impossible motion. The mimic octopus materializes, its skin flashing with dynamic patterns before settling into a mottled brown. It moves with an intelligent, probing grace. A hungry damselfish approaches. Instantly, the octopus transforms. It buries its body and head, leaving two arms exposed, striped black and white. It has become a venomous sea snake, a convincing deterrent. The damselfish veers away, the octopus flattens itself completely, changes its color to match the sand, and glides along the bottom, its arms trailing behind it to perfectly imitate a flounder. Close up on its complex, watchful eye. In the shallow seas of Southeast Asia, the greatest defense is to be something you are not. This is the realm of the mimic octopus, a creature whose intelligence is written on its very skin. While others hide, it performs. It does not have one disguise, but a whole cast of characters. To a potential threat, it becomes a venomous sea snake, an unappetizing, dangerous foe. Its transformation is immediate, intelligent, and specific to its predator. Moments later, it is a harmless flatfish gliding unnoticed over the seabed. This is not a simple reflex. It is a calculated decision. The mimic octopus reminds us that in the wild, perception is reality, and the greatest power can lie in the art of deception. Part 3. The architect of the forest visuals. 4:15. Transition to a crisp North American forest at dawn. A pristine river flows through it. A beaver glides through the calm water, a freshly cut aspen branch in its mouth, close up on its powerful orange teeth, gnawing at the base of a sapling. An incredible time-lapse sequence begins as dusk falls. A whole family of beavers works in unison. They drag logs, weave branches, and plaster mud onto a growing structure. The dam rises steadily through the night. A stunning wide shot reveals the result of their labor. A vast, tranquil pond has formed where the river once flowed. The shot then cuts to show the new life this has brought. A moose wades in to feed on aquatic plants. A family of ducks paddles peacefully and below the surface. Fish find refuge from the current. Some of nature's wonders are not defined by what they are, but by what they create. In the forests of the Northern Hemisphere lives an animal that doesn't just inhabit the landscape, it engineers it. The beaver. Driven by an instinct honed over millennia, these master builders work tirelessly to construct dams, transforming a simple stream into a thriving wetland. This is more than just a home. It is an entirely new ecosystem. The still water of the beaver pond creates a sanctuary for fish, a drinking hole for mammals, and a nursery for insects and amphibians. The beaver's industry creates a world of opportunity for countless other species, proving that the actions of one can build a community for many. Part 4. The bird that chases the sun visuals. Stark. Beautiful shots of the high Arctic in summer. Glaciers carve into the sea under a 24-hour sun. A flock of sleek, silver-white Arctic terns takes to the sky, their calls echoing in the crisp air. An animated map graphic elegantly illustrates their migration route, an astonishing S-curve from the North Pole, down the coast of Africa and South America, to the Antarctic. Soaring aerial shots show the terns in flight over a vast empty ocean. They are models of efficiency, barely seeming to move their wings. One suddenly folds its wings and dive bombs the water, emerging with a small fish. The flock arrives in the Antarctic, a mirror image of the home they left. They are now living in the Antarctic summer, having not seen a sunset in months. For most living things, life is governed by the cycle of seasons, but one animal has found a way to live in a near-perpetual summer. This is the Arctic tern, the greatest long-distance traveler on Earth. Each year it undertakes a monumental journey from pole to pole and back again, a round trip of over 40,000 miles. It literally follows the sun. This incredible feat of endurance ensures it is always in a place of abundance, with long daylight hours to hunt for fish for its young. It is a life spent on the wing, a creature of boundless horizons, and a powerful symbol of relentless perseverance. Part 5. A World of Wonder Visuals. We revisit the animals featured, the octopus vanishing into the sand, the beaver surveying its pond, the tern soaring in the sky. These are intercut with new awe-inspiring shots. A lioness nuzzling her cub, a sea turtle gliding through a sunlit reef, a butterfly emerging from its chrysalis, the mimic, the architect, the eternal traveler. 3 stories from a global library of millions. Each animal, a unique solution to the puzzle of life. Each a vital thread in the fabric of our world. They are a source of infinite fascination, a spectacle of beauty and ingenuity. They are the living wonders of our planet, and their survival is a reflection of our own wisdom, a measure of our compassion, and a profound responsibility we all share. By date, by content type, by category.